How to enable or disable title animations in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the edit page where your timeline is located. Next, find the title clip you want to edit in the timeline. Click on it to select it. Now, look at the inspector panel on the right side of the screen. If you don't see it, click on the inspector button at the top right to open it. In the inspector, scroll down to the settings for your title. Here you will see options related to animation like zoom, position or opacity keyframes. To disable the animation, you can remove or reset these keyframes by clicking the red diamond button or the reset icon next to the parameters. If you want to enable or add animation, use the keyframe buttons again to create movement or effects over time. Move the playhead to where you want the animation to start, set a keyframe, then move the playhead forward and adjust the parameters. Once done, play back your timeline to check if the animation is working as you want. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable title animations in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.